Tom, wait! Don't go over there! Please, it's too dangerous! Wait, what is that? Okay, kids, it's bedtime. Brush your teeth.
Aw, Mom, it's Friday. Can I stay up late?
Nice try, buddy. School rules still count on Friday.
I'm already sleepy. Good night, everyone.
Good night, sweetie. Sleep tight.
Well, at least tomorrow is Saturday. I'm sleeping in until noon.
Good luck with that.
Night, Dad. Night, Mom.
Night, son. See you in the morning.
Not now. Seriously? It's 6 in the morning. Tom, do you hear that noise? Yeah, I hear it. It won't stop.
What is that sound?
It's coming from outside. Maybe it's a car alarm.
There goes my sleeping day. Wait, that's not a car. It's coming from the new neighbor's house. The old house? The one with the creepy garden? Yeah, that one. Nobody's ever seen them, Tom. Not even once. The door is closed, the lights are off, but the alarm keeps going. Maybe nobody's home? Something's not right. I'm gonna check it out.
Tom, be careful.
Don't worry, Mom. I'm just gonna take a look. Okay, Tom, just knock on the door. Hello? Anyone home? Hello? Your alarm is going off. This place is so quiet. Too quiet. Wait, what was that? Someone's in there. Okay, stay calm, stay calm. Is someone there? Hello? Ah! Oh my gosh, just a cat. You scared me half to death, little guy. The door was open a little. That's how you got in, huh? Okay, no burglar, just a hungry cat. But that alarm is still beeping. Let's find this alarm. Maybe this is it. Whoa! What is that? Okay, that was not the alarm. That was a radio. Let's try this one. No, no, no! Close! Close! Close, close, close! Okay, definitely not that button either. You have got to be kidding me. Wait a second, is that an alarm clock? No way. This whole time, it was just an old alarm clock.
Young man, what are you doing in my garage?
I'm so sorry, sir. Your alarm was beeping all morning. I just wanted to help.
Oh my goodness, I completely forgot about that old thing.
Is it yours?
Yes, I set it last night. I wanted to wake up early and go fishing.
But why was it in the garage?
I left it here by mistake. Silly me.
Oh man, I was so scared. I thought something bad happened.
I'm sorry for the trouble, son, but thank you for checking on me.
No problem, sir. I'm just glad you're okay.
You know, this clock belonged to my father.
Really?
Yes, he gave it to me many years ago. Every time it rings, it reminds me of him.
That's really special.
It is. Some things are more than just noise, you know?
Yeah, I understand now.
Would you like to join me for breakfast? As a thank you?
I'd love that.
Mom! Miss Lily is outside again.
She is just in her garden, Tom.
But she always looks at me. Her face is not happy. I think she is bad.
Tom, you don't know her. Don't say that.
I gotcha!
Oh, no.
My ball. It is in Miss Lily's garden.
Go and get it, son.
No, Dad. I am scared.
It's okay. Just knock on her door and say sorry.
But I am very scared.
Yes? Oh, you are Tom, the boy next door.
Hello, Miss Lily. I am sorry. My ball is in your garden.
Oh. No problem. Come in. I will get it for you.
She is nice.
Here is your ball.
Thanks.
And would you like a cookie?
Yes, please. Thank you, Miss Lily.
Sit down, Tom.
Okay.
Tell me about yourself.
I am 8. I like football and drawing. I go to Green Park School.
Oh, drawing. My son loves drawing, too. He is 30 now. He lives far away.
Is that him?
Yes. I miss him every day.
Why are you always alone, Miss Lily?
My husband is not here anymore. My son is busy. But I have my garden. And now I have a new friend, you.
I can visit you again? Maybe with my mom?
I would love that, Tom. Come anytime.
Bye-bye, Miss Lily. See you soon.
Goodbye, Tom. Be careful.
Try some of this, Tom.
Yum, thanks, Mom. It's so good.
Yeah, it's Dad's specialty.
Mom, Dad, Miss Lily is not bad. She is very nice. She gave me a cookie. She is lonely. Her son lives far away.
I am happy to hear that, Tom. I always thought she was kind.
Good job, son. You were brave today.
Can we visit her on Sunday?
Maybe, Tom.
Together?
Of course. That is a great idea.
I will visit her again. She is my friend.
Oh, not again. I really need to get up. Just one more minute. Mike! Mike! The baby is coming!
What? Right now?
Yes. I have pain. We need to go to the hospital now.
Okay. Don't worry. I am here. Let's go. The bag. I need the bag. Wait here, Sarah. Where is the bag? Where is the bag?
Mike? The bag is in the bedroom. On the bed.
Oh. I see it. I have the bag. Let's go to the car.
Hurry, Mike. Hurry.
Almost there. Just a little further.
Hurry, Mike. I think it's time. Hello? Mom? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. What is wrong?
The baby is coming. We are going to the hospital. Please come.
I am coming right now. Don't worry.
We're here. Just hang on.
Oh, I don't think I can. It's too much.
We're at the door. Just a few more steps.
It's coming. Please hurry.
Hello? Please help us. My wife needs a doctor.
Of course. What is your wife's name?
Her name is Sarah. Sarah Brown. The baby is coming.
Okay, please sit down. The doctor is coming soon.
I'm here.
Thanks, Mike.
Always.
Mike, I am here. How is Sarah? Is she okay?
She is with the doctor now. She is okay. We wait here.
Good. I am so happy. This is a big day for our family.
Mr. Brown? Congratulations! Your baby is here.
Oh, really? Is it a boy or a girl?
It's a girl. She is small and beautiful. Mom and baby are fine.
A girl. Oh, I am so happy. Thank you, doctor. Oh. Oh, my dear.
Hello, Sarah. How do you feel?
I feel tired, but I am very happy. Look at her. She is so cute.
She is perfect. What is her name?
Her name is Emma,
Emma Brown.
Welcome to our family, Emma.
Emma? Hello, Emma. I am your grandma. I love you.